Hi, if you want to know how to perform a forced restart on your iOS 18 iPhone, don't forget to watch this video until the end. So forced restart is a restart when you can do restart of your phone without touching the screen. For example, when your phone has lagged and the screen is not responding. So for different models, we got different ways, and let's start with the newer ones. If you got iPhone 8 and newer model, we would need to do a key combination on our phone. So the key combination is that we would need to fastly click volume up, volume down, and then hold the power button. So volume up, volume down, and hold. So let's try it. I'll do volume up, volume down, and hold. Now we would need to wait until we will be able to see the Apple logo appear on the screen, so just keep holding your finger. And now when you can see the Apple logo appear on the screen, this is it. We have successfully restarted our phone, and now we need to just wait until it will fully turn on. Meanwhile, let me tell you about other models and how to do a forced restart. So for iPhone 6s and older models, including the iPhone SE number 1, we got this combination. We would need to hold the home button at the middle of bottom of your phone, the big button, and then the power button at the same time. We would need to just hold these two buttons like this at the same time until you'll see the Apple logo. And now for iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, we got different combination, which is holding the volume down button and power button. So this is this one, and then this big one on the other side. We would need to also hold these until you will see the Apple logo. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful, and have a great day.